In this video, I'm going to show you how to make journal entries in FreshBooks. So the first thing that we'll need to do is click on the accounting on the left side right here. Click on accounting and it will show journal entries right here. Click on journal entries and we will be creating our journal entry on the top over here. Click on create journal and here you will see the date that you want to set. So for example, the date is this, and then it would be journal entry number 1, and here we'll be selecting an account. um for example, I'll choose cash and add in 100 on debit, and another one is, let's put in petty cash and 100 on credit. Now once you've done that, just click on save and it will create your journal entry. And that's about it. That's how to make journal entries in FreshBooks. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.